Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you could apply for the Atlas credit card. In order to do so, we're going to head over to accessbank.com. And once you're here, then you will very clearly see the option to apply now for the Atlas credit card. What is the Atlas credit card all about? It is an airlines agnostic travel credit card designed to benefit on every travel you make, enjoy exclusive travel benefits, and much more. You get special features, rewards, privileges, benefits depending on the airport. You get a dedicated portal. You can save up to 25% on over 10,000 different restaurants via the Easy Diner. There are 3 different tiers. We got the silver, the gold, and the platinum. With each tiered system of rewards of benefit, you can benefit more when you reach milestone spending. And so if you are interested in applying for the Atlas credit card, just come over here and click on the Apply Now button, and that's going to start the process. You'll add have to ask some information if you're an existing customer already, and then you can just go through that process and apply for the credit card. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.